Hello everyone! I'll be showing you the step-by-step installation of SSH server and web services that includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP using Ubuntu server. So first, you need to create an Ubuntu server that contains 4 RAM, 2 GHz dual-core processor, and 25 GB storage or space. And wait for the process to finish. Let us proceed on logging in. Input your username and password. After that, you have to switch to root user to have access with sudo privileges. To update and upgrade the system, type the command sudo apt update, then sudo apt upgrade. This will fetch all of the resources found on the live Ubuntu server. Next step, to install SSH server, you need to type in the terminal the command sudo apt-get install open ssh-server. With this, it will download all the necessary files and resources found in the live server of the open SSH server. When it's done, SSH server is successfully installed to your machine. Now, you can enable the SSH server by typing command systemctl enable SSH. This will enable the SSH services. To check if the SSH services are active, write command sudo systemctl status SSH and it will display the SSH is active and running. I executed a command update and upgrade to refresh the repository and package index files, and perform the necessary upgrade to install on the system with the following command. Next is we will install a desktop GUI on an Ubuntu OS. In order to install Ubuntu desktop, first is we need to type the sudo apt install task cell. It's the tool that can help us download the desktop version of Ubuntu. Then run the command sudo apt install ubuntu-desktop. The process takes a lot of time, so we need patience for this, but it will be quicker if you have followed the requirements of Ubuntu OS, such as what I've done on my virtual host. When the installation finishes, type the sudo reboot to reboot the system. After the system reboots, a graphical login screen appears. The default display manager generates this screen. Enter your password to access the desktop environment. And you now have access on Ubuntu desktop server. We can now proceed on installing the web services. Let's start first with Apache. Going back on switching to root user and update the system. Then to install Apache, just type the command sudo apt install apache 2. And enabling the Apache services. And Apache is now successfully installed and actively running on your system. Next web services is installing PHP on Ubuntu. The following command installs PHP using apt install PHP. Ensure you are using the latest repository updates. To verify the installation, type in php-v. It will display the PHP version you installed. To test it on our local machine, we can create a sample PHP file containing the PHP information. So, to make a directory, we will use the command mkdir. Then it will create a directory with the name of your folder. Then we'll create a file using the command touch and name it index with an extension of PHP. Here, we are going to establish a local host, then copy the link and paste on a browser to check if the PHP is installed. If you already have a browser downloaded, just directly copy the link. However, if not yet, enter the command in order to install Mozilla Firefox from the official Ubuntu repository. This might take some time, depending on your internet speed, after which Firefox will be installed on your system. Last step on installing MySQL package. Run the following command and wait for the installation to end. To check and test if MySQL is running, just type mysql-v. mysql-view root-p is a command to get access on the MySQL databases. Now, we are going to create a database naming it SampleDB. To display the database you created, type in the command show databases semicolon. That is all. Thank you for watching.